Hey guys, welcome back. Long time no see. So another day, another problem. This time it happened not to me, but with my mom. 2 years ago, we bought as a present this TV, 32-inch LG, and I'll give you the model number. Somewhere here. So it's LG 32LN 536B. Can we see the manufacturing date on this one? Oh, so it's February 14, 2014. But as I say, we bought this one like 2 years ago in a store for like really cheap because it's an old model. And yeah, we got it cheap, like, I don't know, nearly 200 euros, maybe less. So 2 years went past, and like a month ago, my mom just called me and said, hey, you know what? The TV doesn't work. I just was watching movie and the picture just disappeared. So I said, well, try maybe you change the channels or something else. So she tried everything and it doesn't work. So I went over, picked the TV up, and we'll see if we can fix it. So there's a test to see if there's a backlight. So yeah, most of the problems with these TVs are that the backlight goes off, and that's it. Everything works, just there's no picture. So how you can tell it? Just you can see that the power light is on. Just turn it on. Have some flashlight or mobile phone with the flashlight on. Press something on TV and then just shine it to see that it works or not. Like in this case, I don't know if you can see. Wait a minute. Oh, so yeah. This is not bright enough. Flashlight is not bright enough, but you can see that that there is a picture underneath. You can barely see it, but it's there. And yeah. So that's the way to tell that the backlight is broken. And I went over in eBay, googled this model number, and it gave me these 3 bars with LEDs for like 11 euros that you can buy and install. So now I'm gonna try and repair this TV. It's the first time I'm gonna try to repair a TV, but we'll see how it goes. So the first thing is I'm gonna remove the stand. If I remember correctly, then these are the 4 screws that you need to remove to be able to remove the leg. I guess you need to remove those screws. So bad I don't have a magnetic screwdriver to pull those out, but Okay, there they are. Oh, there it goes. So remove all the stuff here. Turn it around so that I can see what I'm doing. So, well, I guess we're gonna remove all these screws around here, and yeah, maybe we can remove the bezel from the front.
Okay.
Not sure about these two screws here. Probably I don't need to remove this one, at least for now. Oh, these two, definitely. So, see that it's coming out easily. Well, not so easy from here, so probably these two screws are the ones that I have to remove these two as well. Okay, so now what's gonna happen? Yeah, it goes. So now what's holding this one? I think I have this one loose. I have this one loose. So where do we have some extra screws? That's holding this one. Ah, man, I didn't see this one. There's one in the middle here. Okay. Okay, now it should be easy. Just lift this thing all up. Right. What else? What else I'm missing? I think so. Should be. Oh man. There's one more. The main screw in the middle. I think you can see all, but no. Okay, yeah. This one does work. Okay. Goes up. I dropped the screw. So, we got the two speakers here with the spider inside. Yeah. So it's all the way down there. So we have to remove, I think, everything, or maybe just. No, it should. The front should pop separate from this thing. Yeah. Let's try. Let's try to do this. Remove this one, not to break it. Now, okay. These are the plastic plastic clips. Okay. So now I have to remove the screen, and these screws around the perimeter will help me remove the metal piece that holds the screen in place. So I think I'm gonna rotate it with the screen upwards. Oh shoot. Okay, let's remove the speakers, maybe. Yeah, let's remove the speakers for now. Let's squeeze and release. Okay, there are the speakers, and now we can undo these screws. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9 of them. No, I'm lying. There's 10 of them. There's one here. Where is it? Now I have to remove these. be careful. Oh. Now you will be able to lift it up and remove the display. There's one more. So careful with this one. Now it's the easy part, I think. Actually, you didn't have to remove this one, maybe. So you can see here, these are the LEDs. Man, they gave me the wrong ones. Shoot! These are totally wrong. What should I do? Okay, so I've got the wrong ones. I've got, oh man, I've got the type B2 and this is type A. Okay, I guess it's my fault here. I can't fit these either, right? Yeah. Well, I could. If only they were a little bit shorter. Yeah, like this, then it matches, but that's one extra large. What if we cut it shorter and solder these connectors up here? This would fix everything, I guess. Now let's try, or at least let's connect it and see if it works, or maybe it doesn't. So you can see here that it's trying to work, but because of this one and this one is not working. See, every one of these is blinking, so it means they're good, but in this bar or strip, this one and this one is not, so those are defected. So let's try and put my strip instead of this one and see if it goes. So I made it a little bit of a testing stand, as you wish. Connected the positive and the negative leads to this one because it doesn't fit. It's a different connector. It's a bigger one than this one. If it works, I'm gonna solder straight on without the connector, and that way I will see if it works. If it works, I will solder and forget about it. I'm not gonna wait another month to receive a new set of LEDs here. Well, so let's try. Hope we're not gonna blow anything up here. Oh, nice! See? Woohoo! Man, it does work. What's up with these guys? Ah, they understand. They dissipate the light so that it's not so bright, and it's like a diffuser to have one pixel of the light, but it spreads the light out. So we know that it works. I think I'm not gonna bother with ordering a new set of these. I'm gonna take a look at how much are these compared to the ones I got already, and no, it doesn't. No, I'm not gonna wait another month. I'm gonna fix this one and see if it works, even though I'm not gonna give it back to my mom. I'm gonna use it as my PC monitor, but yeah, at least I can fix it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it looks after I'm done, because to solder I need both hands and I'm using the mobile phone for this, capturing this video. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you the end result of soldered, not put it back. Okay guys, this is how I managed to solder these two wires together. It's not the perfect job, but it will do. Let's try. Ooh, nice. So, as this one's bigger than the original ones, I had to cut out extra holes for them. These ones will be blank, and these ones that I cut with my knife will be the ones that I'm gonna use. So, you can see here, this is how it's gonna look. I'm still thinking about these two. Should I cut them? I think I will, at least this one. Not sure about this one. I might leave it under. Yeah, but I will cut this one. So, everything's back in order. It's time to plug this thing in and see if it works. So we have the plug here, and I'm gonna go this way. Woohoo! LG! Back in live. He's alive! Yep. Nice. Woohoo! Yeah, so conclusions after this all. With this stuff. So always make sure you buy the right stuff for your TV. So don't do as I did. Don't buy the stuff that until you know exactly what you need, because I just googled the LG and the model number, and it gave me I need these. It turned out it's not this case, so it's something different in the TV itself. So before you fix it, just open it up, take a look what's inside, and then purchase what you need, because you're gonna end up like me. And then for me it was easy because it was fairly straightforward. It fitted the base except for the alignment of the LEDs. So what? I cut out some holes and it fixed. And the connector, oh well. Save yourself some time and don't just take a look what's inside and then order the parts. But yeah, it's easy even for me doing this first time. It's easy fix, so don't worry guys. To open it and break something, it's not that hard, and at least in this case, when there is the backlight is out, it's easy fix. Everyone can do it. Thank you.